Are you a South African musician trying to figure out what Risa is and why you should register? Welcome to this episode where I plan on demystifying exactly that. Cue the intro! What's up, it's your boy Skill from skillmusicsa.com and welcome to my channel where I share information to help my fellow South African independent musicians to improve on their music business. If this sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing as I do have other videos that I think you'll find very informative. Now for this topic, I will be deciphering what exactly Risa is and why you should consider subscribing to Risa. Risa, the recording industry of South Africa, is basically a trade association made for recording musicians and companies to help them improve economically to make more money off of music. Why should you consider subscribing for Risa? One of the main highlights I think personally that you consider to register yourself with Risa is that you will be eligible to get a gold, platinum or silver certification for your record sales or for your streaming. Risa also administers royalties for audio visuals, i.e. music videos. In my personal opinion, there's 4 reasons why you should consider registering yourself with Risa. If you have a lot of streams, a lot of downloads, a lot of physical sales like CD sales, or a lot of video play, then you should highly consider registering yourself with Risa. Risa also administers the ISRC code for audio and audio visuals. Audio visuals are videos. An ISRC code is basically an international ID number for a song or audio visual product that is released. An ISRC code is very important if you are getting radio play so that all the affiliations can track your songs that are being played. So it is very important to have your ISRC code. You don't necessarily have to be a Risa member to get an ISRC code. Platforms like DistroKid, TuneCore, and CD Baby give you an ISRC code that they have automatically, but the difference with the ISRC code that you get from Risa is that it is very particular to you, so it is your ISRC code. I must highlight that you don't necessarily have to be a Risa member to have your ISRC code. You simply go to their website, you register yourself on their portal, and then you apply for your ISRC codes. These ISRC codes will be sent to you in approximately 2 to 4 weeks. I did the process about 2 weeks, and I will be uploading a video just to show you exactly how to get your ISRC code from Risa. How much is it to register with Risa? Risa costs 575 Rand to register per year. So if you think your downloads, your physical sales, and your audiovisual royalties will cover that, then I highly suggest that you should go for it. If you're really interested in getting a SAMRO award, which is administered by Risa, then I also think that you should consider registering yourself. But if you're a beginner and at the lower level of music, then it might not be to your benefit to register with Risa. But it is highly suggested that you get your ISRC code because you will not be able to get your royalties and track your songs on radio with things like Radio Monitor. If you have any questions with regards to Risa, please leave it in the comments below or holler at me on WhatsApp. My number is in the description below or in my bio. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. It helps me know what you guys are interested in, and do consider subscribing as this helps me know that there are people that are finding the information valuable. And until next time, Skilligan the Hooligan signing out.